Hello everyone and welcome back to our tutorial on Vue.js. In this video, we'll be learning how to do two-way data binding. Before we move forward, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss on any notification of any new videos or tutorials that we put forward. So to do two-way data binding, we need to use the syntax that I have just highlighted. And over here in this double quotes, this is the variable that you create in the data function that we have already discussed in earlier video. If you have not watched those video, click on the eye icon on the top right corner to watch that video so that it gives a better insight of how to create variables in Vue.js. So let's see this with a program and let's try to understand this. So over here in my last video where we discussed about if else block, I have already used the model property and to do two-way data binding. So what I have done is I have created a simple login form which contains three main fields, this namely username, password and remember me, and I am every time displaying the complete model in the section below this form so that we know that things are happening on two-way process. So I have created a model in the data function which contains property like email, password, remember me, three basic fields that we wanted to bind. And what I have done is in every form input box, I have used v-model and I have given this model.email so that it knows that this is the property to which I need to take value and update the value that is any changes that keeps happening. Similarly for password as well and for the checkbox as well, I've given these three as two-way data binding using the model. So now whenever I do some typing in the text boxes, I see the similar change being reflected over here. And if you see, I have directly binded this complete model to my view so that I keep tracking the changes that happens in the model itself. So if you see, this model gets updated every time I keep typing something over here. When I click this true and false state also change for the remember me. So this is how you can do two-way data binding in Vue.js, and in the coming videos we'll be discussing on how to handle certain events or certain properties of your HTML. Let's say I want to disable this button when I have some errors in my form. So this is an error and this sign in button should not be enabled. So those things how we can handle and how we can handle some events. So there can be events where I want to say that on hover of a mouse, pop up something, or on click on press of enter key, do this thing. So those things how we can handle those and how we can submit the form, those things we'll be understanding in the coming videos. So hope to see you all in the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss on any notifications of any new videos or series that we put forward. We would love to hear from you of any feedbacks or any tutorial that you want us to do of any specific features of the language which we have put across, or any new language that you want us to make videos on. So we would appreciate if you can comment on the videos, and we would definitely reach out and look forward to answer your queries.